Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust photo contrast on VSCO. So, first of all, you want to open the VSCO application, so just click on the VSCO and then you want to go to the studio, which is this icon right here. So just click on a studio. While you are in the studio, choose a photo that you would like to adjust the contrast. So let's say I want to adjust the pigeons maybe. So just click on the photo that you want to adjust, then go click on the adjust icon right here. Then you want to go to the tools, which is this icon right here. And as you can see, we have already the contrast in our basic setup. Sorry. So just click on a contrast, and by swiping to the left we are going to have the bigger contrast, and to the right we are going to have a smaller contrast. So maybe let's leave it at a +3, then just click the tick right here to save the contrast editing. And right now you can go on with the whole editing process, or if you're satisfied with your photo, you just want to click next and then save the whole photo as normal. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!